Hello everyone and welcome again in our biology lecture. Dear students, myself Pratibha Birajdar and today we are going to start the next new chapter, that is chapter number 3, Inheritance and Variation. Students, in this chapter we discuss some genetical terms, then how the characters are transferred from parents to offsprings, then different crosses. So let's start. See first introduction. In introduction, see some basic terms. First, heredity or inheritance. What is heredity? Heredity is the transmission of characters from one generation to next generation or from parents to offsprings. Then this heredity, it deals with the phenomenon of like begets like, means the parents they produce the same kind of the offsprings. For example, mango seed produce mango tree and cat will always produce the kitten. Such phenomenon it is called as like begets like. Then next term, variations. Variations are the difference between the parents and offsprings or among the offsprings of the same parents, means all offsprings are not similar. The variations are present between the parents and offsprings or among the offsprings of the same parents. Next term, genetics. Genetics is the branch of biology which deals with the heredity and variation. Simple term, what is genetics? It is the branch of biology which deals with the heredity and variation. Term genetics was coined by William Batson in 1906, but the first scientific explanation regarding inheritance was given by Gregor Johann Mendel in 1866 and he is called as father of genetics. Gregor Johann Mendel, born on 22 July in Austria and died in 1884. Mendel performed experiments on garden pea plant. The botanical name of garden pea plant, Pisum sativum. Remember this, botanical name of garden pea plant, Pisum sativum, and proposed principles which are now popularly known as Mendel's law of inheritance. So here Mendel select the garden pea plant, but why Mendel select the garden pea plant? See some reasons. Pure variety are available. Then pea plants are easy to cultivate. Life cycle of plants are only few months so that results can be got easily. Then contrasting traits are observed. Here in these garden pea plants, 7 pairs of contrasting characters are present. Flowers are bisexual and normally pollinated. Flowers can be cross-pollinated only manually and hybrids are fertile. See here, garden pea plant or the Pisum sativum, it shows the 7 pairs of contrasting characters. And here in these 7 pairs of contrasting character, one character is the dominant and another character is the recessive. See one by one which are the 7 pairs of contrasting characters. First, seed shape, then seed color, pod shape, pod color, flower location and plant height or height of plant. Right. Here all these 7 pairs of contrasting characters, they show the dominant and recessive characters. For example, see here height of plant. Here tall is a dominant character and dwarf is a recessive character. Or seed shape, in this seed shape round is a dominant character and wrinkled is a recessive characters. Means all these 7 pairs, they show the contrasting characters, that is dominant and recessive characters. You learn all these 7 pairs of contrasting characters because it is very important. Then say the reasons for Mendel's success. His experiments were carefully planned and involved large sample. He carefully recorded the number of plants of each type and expressed his results as ratios. The 7 traits in garden pea plant were studied individually, one at a time, or in combination of 2 or 3 characters at a time. Means sometime he select the single pair of contrasting character for cross, or sometime he selected the 2 or 3 characters at a time. He processed the data mathematically and statistically. He visualized that the traits are such are not inherited physically but by something present inside the gametic cell. To this something he coined terms, factors, and that are responsible for expression of a particular character. Means Mendel's give the term for this something, that is the gene. So here the Mendelian factors are now termed as gene.